Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So having breakfast, poha and some tea. I am not going to eat eggs today because it's Ekadashi and I avoid eggs on Ekadashi. बाकी तो I was going to vlog a normal day in my life, but I just got a call that my maid isn't coming today. So I'm going to do a lot of housework, house chores. Today my husband is working from home, so I don't have to go to school to pick up Agastya. He's going to pick him up. I am very cranky these days. As you can see, I'm going to get my period any day. And the Bangalore weather is good. I mean, it's chilly and windy, but yeah, it's very gloomy at the same time. I am so sleepy all the time. Still, I wake up early, I finish my workout, I do everything, and yeah, that's it. So first I'll finish my breakfast and then I'll get back to work. I just finished my workout. I came, I made breakfast, now I'm having it. फिर उसके बाद काम करेंगे, खाना बनाएंगे, और कुछ है नहीं. So I'm done with breakfast. यहाँ पे बर्तन भी धो के रख दिए हैं. I think I should boil the milk first and then I should go ahead with cleaning and then cooking. So I'm going to boil my water जो मैं रोज़ पीती हूँ since almost now 15-20 days. I had spoken about this in my last vlog. Last vlog, I don't remember. It's jeera, ajwain and saunf. इसको क्रश करके रख दिया है and I boil it every day in some water. I'll show you. So I'll boil this till it reaches its boiling point and I drink it throughout the day. So it helps in reducing bloating. Jhadu time. So let's do this. You can see my hair. सुबह सुबह बाल बनाए और इतने झड़ गए. You know, with Agastya, मैं घर कितना भी clean रखूँ, it gets dirty. I mean, I cannot blame Leo for his hair fall. वो उसके हाथ में है ही नहीं. The problem here is Agastya. And मैं कितना भी घर clean रखूँ, in every part of the room उसके toys होते हैं, उसके books होते हैं, and I am just tired cleaning it every day, all day. This is what I made peace with, that it is not going to happen anytime soon जब तक उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो वो भी समझ लेता है कभी कभी कि मम्मा doesn't like mess, so I have to, you know, clean up after. But उसके friends आके खेल के जाते हैं. That's the worst thing because they all leave and Agastya gets too tired after playing and it's always me or my husband who has to clean up his toys. So play dates are good to keep them engaged, but when it comes to this cleaning up, it's too tiring. Look at him sleeping here. जब इसको कुछ पड़ी है, so आराम से बेड पे सो रहा है. Done with shower, done with cleaning. Now it's time to do some skincare and some cooking. I have to cook before Agastya comes back from school, so quickly I'll just do my skincare and then I'll get back to cooking. So this is what I grew couple of weeks back, and look at the dhania, guys. It has turned out so well, and the methi as well. I'm going to water them today after I finish cooking. This is pudina, and so nice. I'm so happy. Handwa for lunch. It is a Gujarati dish, and this I had fermented a night before. It is basically made of kuta hua dal, chawal, and little bit of wheat. See. I'm going to add this. This is Loki, Dudi, bottle gourd, whatever you say. I'm going to add this.
Nicely. This looks.
To add little bit of carrots. Add some homegrown methi. यहाँ पे तो आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ न्यू पॉट एंड देन उसमें मैं अच्छे से मेथी और एडिंग गार्लिक, लिटिल बिट ऑफ जिंजर, चिलीज, तड़का which has hing, राई दाना, that is mustard seeds, and थोड़ा सा मेथी दाना, and you just have to sprinkle it here ऐसे. Sprinkle some oil. कपड़े सुखा दिए हैं मैंने. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वाटर द प्लांट इन बोथ द बालकनीज. So I'm done with everything, and the worst part is कि मेरे को periods आ गए, as I was saying about it कि आ जाएंगे आजकल में, आज ही आ गए, अभी आ गए, and I'm having very 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 bad cramps, so I'm just going to lie down for some time. फिर लंच करने के लिए उठूँगी. Agastya is watching TV. He just came back from school.
मैंने थोड़ी केचप आपने मम्मा मैंने थोड़ी केचप आपने.
How's the handwork? Then say nicely.
Nicely.
You're sorry, baby. You can't eat. Sorry, Pupu.
Sorry, we can't go down. It's raining.
I know. Sorry, baby. Can't go down. It's raining. I'm having it with chutney, ketchup, and some garlic chutney. So I was just going through my Instagram and some archive, on my Kibolio page, and I just realized that a year ago I had announced on Instagram to his followers that he's not well and he needs prayer. He was diagnosed with this kidney problem in March, and I had publicly informed his followers on 16 July, and I had got tons of messages, and comments and everything. That point of time मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि it's just going to be couple of months and he's going to be fine. He wasn't. From that point of time, every damn day was worse for him and for us to see him like this. Soon it's going to be 1 year since he left us. Though I have Leo, but nobody can replace Kipo. Missing him so much. True, baby. So I'm done with tea. Now I'm just preparing for dinner, and then I think I'll go for a walk. मतलब अभी भी थोड़ा काम है, कपड़े fold करने हैं. I mean I have to do laundry. Then I'm preparing dinner, and then I'll go for a walk, evening walk. So I'm making iska sabzi. I don't know how many of you guys know this. This is turaiya in Hindi, I guess. I don't know how to say in English. Hindi में I think turaiya ही बोलते हैं. गुजराती में we say turiya. Recently I have developed the taste for it, and I also got to know that it helps in weight loss. So I try to make at least once a week. इतना भी पसंद नहीं है कि मैं हर 2-3 दिन में खा सकती हूँ, but yeah, I try to include this in my diet every week. And my mom just taught me how to make it, so I'm going to make iska sabzi. So today's dinner is very simple सी रोटी, ये सब्जी और मूंग. That's it. रोटी is done, मूंग is done, सब्जी हो रही है. How much did you write?
I like a little.
Very nice. Show me. Very good. Now write. Continue from here.
I will.
Chalo, write.
Baby sleepy.
Chalo. Come on. Finish it off. I'm coming.
Okay. But you have to do like this.
Yes, correct. Go up.
Go
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Standing line. Down.
Standing line.
Very nice. Now
Now-
write. Continue.
Now comes what comes? M?
No.
K.
No.
H.
Yes. Right.
चल
I'm out.
तुम्ही चालू रख लियो लियो लियो
लियो लइया जा बेबी.
कम लियो थ्रो
नहीं थ्रो नहीं करे, आप पर जाओ सर. लियो ए लियो. So everything is done. Okay, I came back up because I was not feeling too well. बहुत क्रैम्प्स हो रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा मैं ऊपर ही जाके रेस्ट करती हूँ. So I am back home. So is he with me. And yeah, so this is basically a boring, slow, chaotic day in my life. He wants attention. So this is what I drink. I told you earlier that I make this. and I sip throughout the day. And बाकी तो ये छोटू शुपू चूचू is with me. So this is my, I'm ending it here. I'm ending the vlog here because there's nothing more much to show you guys now. कि अब तो डिनर करेंगे फिर सो जाएंगे because it's a weekday, working day, school day tomorrow. So again the same routine. Hopefully my maid will come tomorrow. Let's see. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I am really trying hard to vlog every day. I know मेरे vlogs इतने entertaining नहीं होते कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा दिखा पाऊँ. But please guys, show some support and love. I'm trying really hard. Also let me know what all you want to see in my vlogs. तो मैं उस तरह का vlog shoot करने की कोशिश करूँगी. And you want something related to Leo or Agastya or anything, so please let me know. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.